got a delivery of a package, and we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside here. Whoa, take a look at that. Got one box here. Got another box here. And one more box here. They all say Glock on it. Okay. Very exciting. Alright, so to start off with, we have these three cases, and I'm going to show the unboxing of this Glock 26. In the box, you can see it's nicely packaged in here. It's got a cleaning brush, a quick loader, a magazine with 10 rounds in it. Inside the gun is another magazine. This is called the Mini Glock, the smallest of the family. Taking a look at it, you can see how easily it fits in the hand. Now my 3 fingers over here on the frame, my thumb here, it feels very nice gripping it, but the pinky is left hanging off on here. So they sell different kinds of extensions. There's a nice extension right here to release the magazine from the gun. This one has 10 shots inside available for it. You can see there's nothing in the chamber here. To disassemble the Glock, you pull back the frame like this about a couple of centimeters, pull down these 2 pins, there's one on each side, and then you release the top, pull the trigger, and you see how it comes right off of there. Now, the under part of it looks like this with a spring. That just pops right off. And then the barrel also comes right off like so. Everything's easy to disassemble and clean. And you can see how everything's cut out nicely and neatly inside the gun. Everything's made with quality parts. As far as putting it back together, you're going to have the pin here, the barrel here. You want to put that all into the frame. The barrel, let it drop into place. And then got the spring. Got to push it down. Okay, that's a good fit. Then got the frame here. And then it clicks into place. That's it. Very nice compact gun. Glock is known highly for their quality, and this is a very good carry gun because of how compact it is. It doesn't weigh very much, and it'll shoot every time you pull the trigger. Moving on to the next box is the Glock 17. This is a Gen 4 version. Oh, that's beautiful. You can see how it's got the different back straps for the gun. It can be interchanged. Comes with 2 magazines. Each of them have a 17 round capacity. This is the Glock 17. It's a full-size service pistol. And there's already one inside the pistol also. Give you a breakdown and show you how it looks. Real quick here, just to show you the size comparisons of these 2 pistols. This is the Glock 26. You can see how much more smaller this Glock 26 is compared to the Glock 17, just to give you an idea of how big this pistol is. Now, the Glock 17, holding it in the hand for the first time, this feels like a very good, comfortable gun. I like Glock's design, how they put the undercut where this trigger guard is. Let me just show you here that this gun is in fact not chambered. It's got the mag release, 17 here, 17 here, 17 there. That's a lot of firepower in the 9mm round, which is a very good round because it fires fast. It's big enough to put the attacker down or stop a threat, and overall it's nice. Look at these sights on here too. You can see that there's a nighttime sight on the very front of it. This is the Gen 4 version. This baby pistol doesn't have that on there. It does have that dovetail sight, but it is a beautiful gun. Nice finish on it. Nice high quality polymer frame. It's good to resist against corrosion because they treat it. This frame is nice too. To disassemble it, just like any other Glock, pull the buttons down on each side and then it just comes right off of the slide here. You can see how there's the spring, got the barrel, and then the cutouts inside. You can see the little oil that's inside of there. Beautiful, beautiful gun. Glock, very well known for their reliability. You can't go wrong with the Glock. Very easy to disassemble and just as well reassemble. That is the Glock 17. Last but not least, we have this G19, the Glock 19 Gen 4. You can see how it looks brand new out of the box. Got the custom back straps on here. Okay, and then they also have the gun here with 2 extra magazines. And the lock. Let's take a look. So this is a close-up look of the Glock 19. Now, telling you about some of the statistics of it, it's got a length of 7.28 inches, a height of 4.99 inches, a width of 1.18 inch, and the barrel height is 1.26 inches. The line between the sights, it is 6.02 inches. Unloaded, this gun weighs 23.65 ounces, and loaded it weighs 30.18 ounces. The trigger pull is 5.5 pounds. The barrel rifling, length of twist, it's a right hand 9.84 length of twist. It comes with a magazine that has a round capacity of 15 rounds in the 9mm chamber. Show showing you that there's nothing here inside of here. Okay, so to disassemble it, it's just like any other Glocks. Just go forward on it. It slides right on out. And you can get a look at the spring. Looks like high quality Glock parts here. Got the barrel. Nice and lubed up. Got all the nice cutouts. Good quality materials. Putting it back together just like the way we pulled it out. I like the way it feels in the hand. Now, given a size comparison of this gun to the other ones, this was the Glock 17. Visualize how big this is over this one. You can see how much more bigger the Glock 17 is to this one. And then you got the baby Glock. There it is. Baby, mama, and papa.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park.